everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make KFC chicken strips using my KFC breading mix. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 3 breast fillets. Now you can do this with 5 fillets if you prefer, that's up to you. So all we're going to do is we want to slice these thin. Just like that. Now you need to bear in mind that when you cook these, they're going to actually grow larger. So even if they're small now, they're going to get bigger. Just like that. And we'll just place it into a bowl. Alright, just like so. And all we're going to do is top this up with about 1.5 to 2 cups of buttermilk. You just want to make sure there's a good enough coverage for all of it. Just give it a mix in there. Make sure everything's well coated, nothing's stuck together. So we'll just cover this with some cling wrap. We want to place this into the fridge for about 6 hours. You can leave this overnight for even better results because the chicken will get more tender. Alright guys, so I left my chicken overnight so it's ready now. So what we're going to do is preheat our deep fry to 180 degrees Celsius. This can also be air fried if you want to do that. Now the only other ingredient you'll need is my KFC breading mix. So guys, this is a mix of flour with 11 not so secret herbs and spices. Everything's in there ready to use to make your life a lot easier. So you can buy this on my online website at www.henryshowtos.com, and that's shipped worldwide guys. So let's move on to the fun part. Alright guys, so this part's pretty straightforward. We've got our chicken here, and of course our breading mix. I'm just going to open that up, and we'll just pour that into our bowl. And that already smells amazing. And we'll grab each piece and place it straight into our breading mix, and give that a good coating. Just so it gets a good coverage like that. Now guys, what you can do is actually double dip this if you want it extra crispy, so that's completely up to you. And we'll just continue with the rest of our chicken. Alright, and there we have it guys. All our strips are ready, so let's move on to our deep fryer. Alright guys, so once your oil's at 180 degrees, we'll start by slowly adding our chicken in. Now don't throw it all in there at the same time. Put them one by one. So if you don't have enough room, you can do this in 2 or 3 batches. Now guys, with the chicken breast, you're looking at a total cooking time of between 4 to 5 minutes. If you're using fry or drumstick or so on, it will be more, possibly 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. So after a couple of seconds, we'll use a slotted spoon just to shake them around. This will prevent them from sticking to each other. And all we do now is wait. So guys, we're just at the 2-minute mark now. Just look at how beautiful they look. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 4.5-minute mark now. So as you can see, the chicken's starting to float up. Now that generally indicates that it's cooked all the way through. And judging by how beautiful and golden brown it is, it definitely is. So guys, what we're going to do is just take it out. And I'm just going to rest it on a wire rack. And as tempted as you are to just bite into it now, trust me, don't do it, you're going to burn yourself. But seriously, how stunning is that? And we'll continue cooking the rest. Alright guys, so after letting them rest, it's time to serve these up. Just look at that beautiful colour on them. And of course, we'll add some aioli on the side too. That goes well together. Alright guys, so you saw how easy that is to make, and you only needed 2 ingredients. Buttermilk and my KFC breading mix. And then just to prove to you how good it is, absolutely amazing. So I'm sure all of you have fond memories of eating at KFC. Unfortunately, it's not anything like it used to be. In Australia, it's terrible, and when I came to America, it was just as bad. So guys, this breading mix works amazingly. There's 11 herbs and spices in there, and you can see how nice, crunchy, and golden brown they are, and full of flavour. So guys, that is available at my website, www.henryshowtos.com. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.